Flexible Calculator is an Android application designed to provide users with an advanced and versatile calculation experience that goes beyond standard calculator functions. This app typically combines various features such as basic arithmetic operations, scientific calculations, and even complex equations, making it suitable for both everyday use and professional needs. The application often includes customizable interfaces, allowing users to adapt the layout and functionality to their preferences. Some versions may also offer features like unit conversions, percentage calculations, and graphing capabilities, catering to a broad range of calculation tasks. Additionally, Flexible Calculator may support various mathematical concepts, including algebra, geometry, and statistics, providing users with tools for solving equations, plotting graphs, and analyzing data. Its user-friendly design ensures that both casual users and advanced mathematicians can find value in its capabilities. Overall, Flexible Calculator serves as a powerful tool for anyone needing a comprehensive and adaptable calculation solution on their Android device, blending convenience with advanced functionalities.